Hello and welcome to our Knowledge Capture online demonstration. What I want to show you today is how our Knowledge Capture solution actually addresses some of the key challenges in the industry across a number of different organizations. Organizations are very much struggling to deal with the complexity, the velocity and the exponential growth of their corporate data. And typically 80% of a company's data is unstructured, so it comes in the form of documents and email, video, audio, images, and now social media. And the challenge is that employees are needing to be more efficient, serving their customers and partners better, but they're struggling to find what they need when they need it. So they're looking in multiple different places, and they're finding that the data is duplicated or they're not working with the correct versions. So companies are very much challenged with these things, and what they're looking for is to streamline all of the manual and the complex workflows that are associated with these types of content. And we typically find this kind of challenge in very document-centric teams like accounts payable and HR, claims processing, mortgage processing. The great thing about KC Online is that we can onboard your business within 72 hours and ensure that your data is available 24/7, 365 days a year from any device. That can be your laptop, your desktop, your iPad or smartphone. So what I'm going to show you now is we're going to log into our Workspace in KC Online, and as we do that I'll show you the pre-built applications that we have, so pre-built modules for claims processing, human resources, accounts payable, social media and complaints. And as I mentioned, these are very much typically very document-centric teams across all organizations, across industry. So we have these modules out of the box that seamlessly integrate with KC Online Secure Archive. And the beauty of them is they all have pre-built workflows behind them. So you have automated a lot of the document-centric processes across these very specific lines of business. In terms of getting your data in the system, you can use some scripts, release scripts for scanning machines, and also use our KC bulk loader. But I want to show you now how you can add some new content to KC Online, add a document, and very simply we just select the folder we want the document added to in KC Online, and then we access the document on our file system, our local file system, and we just drag and drop that from the file system into KC Online and click Add Files. And then what it asks us to do is just turn to some key metadata about that document. So we're going to put the invoice amount, the date, the number, and that enables it to be fully indexed and then fully searchable. So it makes it much easier then to find this document in KC Online for all of those that need to. Next I'm going to show you how you can add a new folder in KC Online, so you start creating your own file structure. So we just select the relevant object store and click Add Folder from the main menu. Just add a new folder name, KCOL Demo, and click Add. And if we just have a look at all our folders, you can see it's been created there. And then next I want to show the options that are available for our documents once they're in KC Online, some really good things that you can do here. First of all, I want to show you version control. So if we click More Information, click Versions, you'll see here we see the full version control history, when the versions were updated and by whom, and that's for minor and major versions. We also can share our documents, a hyperlink. So this is useful if you want to embed this document within another or within an application. We just copy and paste this URL that's available. And we can also send it in an email as a hyperlink or as an attachment. So a lot of companies really like the fact you can send your documents as a hyperlink from KC Online so as not to clog up your email servers, which of course has implications on storage. So it just makes it operationally more efficient and cost effective. And then to find your documents really easy, you can add to favorites, just like a bookmark in your browser. You can add this document to your favorites and make it really easy and quick to find. So I now want to show you our integration with Microsoft Office, and in particular we're going to show you our Microsoft Word integration. You can see here it's got its own tab on the main menu called KC Online. So it's very simple. We're just able to browse KC Online documents within the system and access them and open and check them out. And we just scroll down here. We select our test folder and we'll select our document that we want to check out. So we click the document, right click and select check out. And we're just going to make a very small change and save it back to the system. And what we found is a number of organisations really use two primary applications that they work within. One is Microsoft Office Suite and the other is their email systems. So we've made it really easy to be able to check out and check in documents, so you have exclusive use, can make exclusive changes and then share it very quickly back into your central repository. And just showing you now the email integration, just like Word, we've got our KC Online tab from the main menu. And we're just going to save one of the attachments we've got from our email into KC Online so we can centralize our company content. So just click that attachment and we'll drag and drop it across to the KC Online file system and put it in our accounts payable folder. And then that's, again, we've just got to add some key metadata, invoice amount, invoice date, invoice number, and click add. So that makes a content that we're adding from our mail application, which is Microsoft Outlook, into KC Online fully indexable and searchable. We'll just close that down. So thank you very much for watching our Knowledge Capture online demonstration. We hope you found it useful.